name's Justin, and I wanted to just drop a quick testimonial for Arianto. I purchased several packages from Arianto, and ranging from 200 up to close to about 1,000 clicks, and I've bought time and time again from him because the quality coming from his list is super high, super responsive. I've had sales from his traffic, both cold and in follow-up, so I continue to make money even after Arianto's done delivering the traffic to my offers. So I just wanted to drop this testimonial and thank you, Arianto, and tell you, if you're considering buying some traffic from him, stop considering it and just go ahead and do at least a test run. I know you'll be excited with the results and continue to order time and time again. Thank you.
Hey guys, if you're an online marketer and you're sick and tired of wasting your money on traffic sources that simply doesn't match your product, then you need to contact Arianto. I recently bought some solo ads from Arianto, and I must say this guy's a real pro. He gave me over delivery and I got some excellent opt-in rates. I'm definitely buying again. Thanks, Arianto.